In my last video about the area of a circle and how it's derived, a bunch of people were asking about how the circumference is derived, and some people were asking about how pi is derived. I grabbed a pie and a pizza. Pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference to the diameter of any circle. We have a pie and a pizza here. I thought we'd measure them. So if I measure the diameter of this pie, it's 8 inches. If I measure the circumference is about 25.1 inches. And we can do the same thing for the pizza. If I measure the diameter of the pizza, it's 15.5 inches, and the circumference is about 48.7 inches. I wonder if I should be doing this in millimeters. Pi is defined as the ratio of circumference to the diameter. So for each of these, if we do that calculation, we get numbers that are pretty close to pi. The only reason they're not exact is because my precision wasn't perfectly exact. But the size of the circle doesn't matter. I could use this tray here, or I could do this circle here, or I could even do a circle on this watch. If I measure the diameter on the watch, I use millimeters. The diameter is 40 millimeters, and the circumference is about 126 millimeters. So if we calculate that, we also get something close to pi. So it doesn't matter how large the circle is, they're all going to have that same ratio of the diameter to the circumference. So that's one way to find pi. A lot of people ask, how do you get the circumference of a circle as 2 pi r? We use the definition that we just used for pi. We say pi is equal to the circumference over the diameter, and then we multiply both sides by the diameter. So we get the diameter times pi equals the circumference. The radius of a circle is defined as half of the diameter. So that means that 2 radiuses equals the diameter. We can plug in 2r for the diameter, and that gives us 2r pi equals the circumference, and then we can rearrange everything to give us 2 pi r equals the circumference. And that's how the circumference is derived. So it's really just based on the definition of pi. You guys are awesome. Comment on what you'd like me to talk about next, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.